People of the country have delivered their verdict, giving no clear majority to any single party. BJP, which had won majority in 2014 and 2019 on its own, fell short by 32 seats this time. And this is where the role of NDA allies assumes significance. All eyes are especially on TDP and JDU, the two NDA partners who together hold 28 seats. And the allies, in fact, have already given their letter of support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Delhi became a centre of hectic parleys as NDA set into motion the process for government formation. Sources have told Times Now that NDA MPs are scheduled to meet in Delhi once again, and in that meeting, in fact, according to the reports that we have, Narendra Modi already has secured the support letter and he has been chosen as the leader of the alliance.
एनडीए की मीटिंग हो गई आदरणीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में और शिवसेना ने उनको समर्थन दिया है और जल्दी उनका शपथ विधि हो जाएगा। ये हमारे भारत के तीसरी बार आदरणीय मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री होंगे।
एनडीए की सरकार बन रही है, जेडीयू का उसमें प्रतिनिधित्व होगा और बिहार के लिए फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस, विशेष राज्य का दर्जा मिले, उसके लिए हम प्रयासरत रहेंगे।
मीटिंग रही सर, आज मीटिंग में क्या कुछ बातचीत हुई, क्या आपकी तरफ से बातें रखी?
उन्होंने प्रपोज किया उनका नाम प्रधानमंत्री पद के लिए नरेंद्र मोदी जी का, और अब राष्ट्रपति के पास जाएंगे और फिर 8 तारीख के शपथ ग्रहण समारोह का हिस्सा बनेंगे।
So you heard the leaders there talk about giving their support to Narendra Modi, and now they will of course meet the president and stake claim to form government. While the INDI bloc has tried to woo NDA allies, including TDP and JDU, both the parties have expressed full faith in Prime Minister Modi's leadership and have vowed to stick with the NDA. Sources say that TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu is all set to return to Delhi for the second NDA meeting and will parade all his 16 MPs as a show of support to NDA. But this unwavering support is coming with a list of demands. The allies of the BJP have made numerous demands. The TDP, for instance, wants the Lok Sabha Speaker's position along with 3 cabinet berths and 2 MOS berths. Naidu's party also has its preferences: road transport, urban housing and rural development. The JDU also wants 3 cabinet berths and 2 MOS berths. Eknath Shinde is also in the mix and wants 1 cabinet berth and 2 MOS berths. Chirag Paswan wants 1 cabinet berth and 1 MOS berth. Jitan Ram Manji wants 1 cabinet berth for the singular seat that is Party 1. By the end of the day, as INDI meeting concluded, leaders said that for now, INDI won't be staking claim to form government. They don't have the requisite numbers. INDI bloc also held a meeting of its leaders to discuss their future course of action, and they said that they will wait for an appropriate time before deciding the next course of action. As of now, INDI leaders have said they won't be staking claim to form the government just yet and would wait for the president to call the largest party to form the government before deciding what they need to do next.
We will take appropriate steps at the appropriate time to realize the people's desire not to be ruled by the BJP's government, and this is our decision, and we all together agreed on these points, and will definitely whatever promises we have given to the people, that we will keep it up.
Always we are optimistic. If not today, tomorrow. Why? Otherwise, why we are in politics? Always we are optimistic. If not today, tomorrow. Why? Otherwise, why we are in politics?
Akanksha is joining us with more details. Akanksha, as far as NDA is concerned, the allies have given their support to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next, they have to meet the president and stake claim to form government. INDI, on the other hand, has made it clear as of now they don't have the numbers and they are not going to make any move in terms of government formation for now.
Well, absolutely, 2 crucial meetings took place yesterday, one of the NDA and another of the India Alliance. NDA Alliance has in fact elected Narendra Modi as its leader and has decided to stake claim to form the government. On the other hand, India Alliance partners are saying that they will be watchful because still now the BJP does not have a majority and they will wait and watch and take appropriate action on appropriate time, is what Mallikarjun Kharge said yesterday. But as far as NDA is concerned, all their parties, all their allies have given the letter of support to the BJP. Now, tomorrow there is going to be another meeting. As you also mentioned, TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu is going to arrive in the national capital tomorrow as well. As per the party party sources, there will be a meeting early morning at around 11 a.m. Is what TDP is saying, and he will be coming with a battalion of 16 MPs who recently won the Lok Sabha election. So he will be coming with that. It remains to be seen whether all of them go with their support to the president to form stake claim to form the government tomorrow. So it will be very interesting to see. But on the other hand, India Alliance says that they will be watchful, will be keenly watching all of this, and then will take the appropriate action. Back to you.
Stay on with us. Let's take a look at the other developments. Now, the confusion created by a narrowed gap between the Lok Sabha tallies of NDA and INDI is slowly dying down. The picture became clearer after two crucial hurdles of alliances in Delhi. First came the NDA meet, where all allies, including TDP and JDU, handed over a letter of support for Modi, and they dimmed hopes of the opposition to poach their allies. Almost 2 hours later, INDI bloc partners came out of a meeting to declare that they will take appropriate steps at the appropriate time to realize people's desire not to be ruled by the BJP government. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge said that for now they will sit in the opposition benches but will continue to resist the fascist rule of BJP.
We will take appropriate steps at the appropriate time to realize the people's desire not to be ruled by the BJP's government, and this is our decision, and we all together agreed on these points, and will definitely whatever promises we have given to the people, that we will keep it up.
Well, the Congress president had convened meeting to discuss political situation and the election results, explore any possibility of government formation, and whether to reach out to their old partners Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu. Leaders emerging from the meeting said the decision to put government-making efforts on hold had been taken by all the constituents of the INDI bloc in one voice.
Sir, India Alliance will try to form government or will sit in opposition. What decision has been made?
No, if you want to listen, listen.
Yes, sir.
The statement unanimously adopted in the meeting was read out by Mr. Kharge, the chairperson of India bloc. The statement makes it very clear what is our understanding of people's verdict. It is a verdict against the communal fascist politics of BJP, and we will continue our fight. That's what the statement makes it clear. As of now, I am explaining to you, we are not going to state any claim to form the government.
हमने ये तय किया है कि हमको जो मैंडेट मिला है, वो मैंडेट इस देश में जो फैसिज्म बढ़ रहा है, तानाशाही, संविधान के खिलाफ जो काम चल रहा है, उसके खिलाफ मिला है, जो करने वाले लोग हैं। तो हमको जब मौका मिलेगा, अप्रोप्रिएट टाइम का हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं, तब जो पीपल्स डिजायर है ये सरकार बदलने की, उस दिशा में हम कदम बढ़ाएंगे।
एनडीए की बैठक में सर्वसम्मति से तय हो गया कि
देखिए, ये सर्वसम्मति कब तक टिकती है, ये आने वाले 6 महीने में आपको पता चलेगा।
They don't have a comfortable majority, but people's verdict is against this friend. India Alliance will wait for the appropriate time.